Say hello to the latest medical transportation drone from Everdrone, a Swedish company focused on emergency medical services. This new model, called the E3, is a major upgrade over their earlier drones, and it's designed with one goal in mind: saving lives faster than ever. In Sweden, an ambulance typically takes about 10 minutes to reach an emergency. And as you probably know, in critical situations, those minutes can mean everything. Traffic, distance, and other delays aren't easy to fix overnight. But this is where medical drones are stepping in to change the game. The E3 can reach the scene in under 3 minutes, which is a huge difference. That kind of speed can help in situations where every second counts. It can deliver essentials like tourniquets and bandages to control severe bleeding, send out antidotes for overdoses, or even adrenaline for allergic reactions. On top of that, it can carry defibrillators, giving people on the ground a real chance to act before paramedics arrive. What makes this drone even more impressive is its performance. It can carry up to 4.5 kilograms while flying at speeds over 80 kilometers per hour. And it does all of that while staying stable, thanks to a special damping system that reduces vibrations, something that's really important when you're transporting sensitive medical supplies. In terms of size, it's compact enough to operate efficiently, but still powerful. It's a big step up from the previous E2 model, which could only carry about 2 kilograms, basically just a defibrillator. With the E3's increased capacity, it can now handle a much wider range of life-saving equipment. The drone is also packed with smart technology. It features precision landing, visual navigation, and intelligent route planning to get where it needs to go as quickly as possible. It also has a sense and avoid system to navigate safely, plus a parachute recovery system for added safety. While it can operate fully on its own, it's also monitored and controlled remotely from a mission center. Interestingly, Everdrone didn't originally plan to build drones at all. The team started out focusing on software for drone services, but when they realized there wasn't a suitable drone available for emergency medical use, they decided to create one themselves. That software background still plays a big role, helping them integrate their systems smoothly for different users and scenarios. They've also partnered with Sweden's National Emergency Call Center, SOS Alarm. Their system is connected to a major dispatch platform called CordCom, which allows emergency calls to trigger automatic drone deployment almost instantly. All of this means one thing: help can arrive faster than ever before. And in emergencies, that kind of speed can make all the difference.